Barok ki Mrad ki badan haka Pannong Light Park bajute barok shikarta kum ka Lady Hydri Park in Pynbyrngia no shaka State Zoo ka badan ha Umtro Haribhoi District. Yakani raya thuru Menteri Ketanat Forest u James PK Sangma hadin ka jingalang hapading ki Nong Penya jong kani ketanat. Menteri u ya thuru baki khmi lenti baka jingshna ya ka State Zoo kan dap no kam Khlaw khnang ba enla ban Pynbyrngia no yakite ki Mrad shaka te ka jaka.
So I'm happy to inform that the work for the State Zoo is very much on track, and the work is progressing at a good pace, and we are very hopeful that we will be able to inaugurate the zoo, and more importantly shift the animals at the Lady Hydri Park or the Pannong Light Park to the new zoo, because the enclosures are very small, and it is extremely cruel to keep them, but as of now it is something that we have no choice but to keep them there still. But I am really very keen on making sure that we can move these animals from the park to the zoo at the earliest, and that's why we are really working to push this project to its completion.
Are you trying to bring in more animals?
No, as of now, the existing animals which are there will be there in the new zoo. Addition to any more new animals will be something that we will have to at the department will have to examine, because there are financial implications to that. There is also programs whereby there's zoo exchange, animal exchange in zoos. Things like that are there, but these involve certain finances, and we will take a call on that. But as of now, we will be shifting whatever existing animals we have in the enclosures to the new zoo as and when it is inaugurated.
Then after shifting, what will happen to this Pannong Light?
What we're thinking of Pannong Light is to we do not want to use the space there. We will dismantle all the enclosures, and we will try to we are exploring at making it into an eco park, which will be a park where it encourages people, inspires people on the message of conservation and preservation of the environment.